Hi guys, I'm Sumbul and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the new KEVYN AUCOIN Electropop eyeshadow palette, and although it's not a very recent release, but it's new for me. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So I'll start with the packaging first. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. Very fun, very colorful. And then this is the palette inside. So it has Electropop written on top 3 times and then the KEVYN AUCOIN logo. And packaging wise, it is plastic, but it doesn't appear to be a very cheap plastic, so that's a good thing. I think it is reasonably sturdy. And then when you open it, there's a large mirror, as you can see, which will come in handy for traveling. And then these are the 12 shades inside. Just look how vibrant and colorful they are. So this palette retails at £42 in the UK, and as I already told you, it has 12 eyeshadows. Now let me swatch these for you guys. So basically there's a mix of light sheer shimmer to a high metallic opaque finish. The most vibrant shade in this palette is this light green and then this brick red shade. It's just awesome. Oh, this is also very vibrant, the purplish shade. The only shades that didn't impress me much as far as first impressions go are these two. This blue one and then this peaches shade in the middle. So the blue one is quite patchy and chalky, and this peach one is not pigmented at all, and it consists of very coarse particles. So I didn't like the peach one in particular. The blue one, probably I can work with it. It's too soon to tell. It is pigmented, but as I told you, it's patchy, so I don't know if it will be any good on the eyes. But the peach one is a total no-no, even as far as first impressions go. But the other shades are lovely. They are really pigmented and they glide on really smoothly. They are very buttery in texture, and as I showed you, the swatches look lovely and amazing. So now let's see how I achieved this look and how easy or difficult I found these eyeshadows to be. So as you can see, I already have my liner and mascara on because I was out for the day, but nevertheless we'll still try this eyeshadow palette on top of the liner, and if any fallout does appear on the eyelashes, we'll just renew the mascara and liner. So I'm basically going to do a very simple eye look today just to test out this palette. We'll reserve the very fun and experimental eye looks for the future. So how about if I use this shade all over my lid and then a little bit of this in the inner corner, something like that. Let's see. So first I'm going to try it with a brush and then with my fingertips, because I think metallic shades like these give better results with the fingertips, but still, let's see how they perform with the brush. So as you can see, this palette already comes with a very large mirror, so I won't be needing an extra mirror. That's a good thing. So I'm using my Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush, this one, and now let's start. Wow, it is quite pigmented, and I think it will give an even better result with the MAC Fix Plus sprayed on the brush. But let's just keep trying it with the dry brush. So can you see, it's quite pigmented even with the dry brush, and I'm just loving the specks of pink in it. So now I'm brushing this brown color on top of this shade just to give it a little depth. Okay, now I'm going to use the lighter pink I showed you, this one, sorry, this one in the middle part to add more sparkle. No, don't like it. Now I'm going to add this gold color in the inner corner of my eye. It is brightening up things a bit. Okay, so now let's try on the other eye with spraying the Fix Plus on the brushes first, and let's see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to be spraying some MAC Fix Plus on this Sigma Eyeshadow E55 brush, the same one I used to apply my eyeshadow on this eye. So it has made some difference, but because my brush was wet, so the eyeliner is smudging in the eyeshadow, so that's not a good thing. But there's not a very noticeable difference, it's a very subtle difference. So let's just add the brown and then use my fingertips to intensify it. Okay, so now I'm going to be trying with my fingertips. Wow, so as you can see, the fingertips has made the most difference and has brought the most striking result, and now it's really standing out. So this is the way I like it, and I think this palette is meant to be used with fingertips because just look, wow, amazing. Okay, so this was really pigmented. Now I'll come back after I refresh my liner and mascara. So I'm back now, and this is my finished look after applying the liner and mascara. And by the way, I did use the brown shade from my Naked 3 palette to add the depth because I was not satisfied with the brown shade in this palette for adding depth. So that's why I used it from that palette. Otherwise, all the other shades are from this palette, and I just love how pigmented and striking they are. They have minimal fallout, and I just love how smoothly they glide on my eyes. So that's a very good thing, and I do think this is a very impressive palette. It looks very promising. I will need to experiment more with it, but for first impressions, it is looking like a very promising and interesting palette. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to comment, like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos every Wednesday. Until next time, stay beautiful.